SPM year 2014. Diagram 11 shows a semicircle PTS with the center O and the radius 8. QST is a sector of a circle with the center S. So by using pi equals to 3.142, first you want to find the angle of TOR in radian. Second, you want to find the length of arc TQ. Third, you want to find the area of the shaded region. We try to extract all the information given in the question first. Firstly, we need to know the radius is 8, so which means here is also 8. And the question tells you the R is the midpoint of OP, so which means the length here is 4, and the length from P to R is also 4. So if this one is 8, this one is 4, and you can find the length of TR by using Pythagoras Theorem, right? Which is square root 8 square minus 4 square. And we can find the angle of TOR either using sine or cos or tangent. Finding TS also possible by using Pythagoras theorem again, which is square root 4 plus 8, 12 square plus the height, which is square root of 48 square. So that will give you square root of 192. Okay, now let us look at question A. When you want to find the TOR, and this one is 4, and then this one is square root of 48, and we can apply cos or sine or tangent. Here I use cos. So cos theta is equal to 4 over 8. Theta is equal to 60. We convert to radian, we will get 1.0473. So for this question is 2 marks. 1 mark for the working, cos theta equals to 4 over 8 or sine or tangent. 1 mark for the answer. So let us have a look on second questions. We want to find the length of arc TQ. The center is at S, right? So you have to see this as the sector. 1.0473 is 60 degree. The angle at the center is always double the angle at the circumference. So that one will give you 30 degree, or we write it as 0.5237 radian. So we already found the radiuses now by using Pythagoras theorem, which is square root of 192. Okay, once we get the radius, then we use the formula S equals to R theta to find. So square root of 192 multiplied with 0.5237, then you should able to get the arc 7.257. If normal mathematics, we write it as 30 over 360 degree times 2 pi square root of 192. I get 7.256. Slightly different than the one that we get from the Addmath formula, but it is okay. 1 mark is given once you manage to get the radius. 1 mark is given once you get the angle, 0.5237 or 30. 1 mark is given when you multiply them. 1 mark is for the final answer, 7.257. Let us look at question C. To find the area of shaded region, you need to understand this as a sector. We have to find the sector first, and then we have to minus the white region. And then you can see white region is a right angle triangle. We find the area of sector first by using formula 1 over 2 times square root of 192 square times 0.5237. Or you want to use the method in mathematics, 30 over 360 degree times pi r square. I get 50.2752 if I use the Addmath formula. So if the mathematics method, I will get 50.272. So you can see the value slightly different, still can be accepted. Next, we find the triangle. We just use the normal formula, 1 over 2 times base times height. So we get 41.5692. If you want to use the MS formula, 1 over 2 AB sine theta also can. So which is 1 over 2, 12 square root of 192. And the angle we want to refer is 30 degree. So you get 41.5692 also. Now we minus, okay, 50.2752 minus 41.5692, then we get the answer 5.706. If you get 50.272 as your area of sector, then you should able to get the answer 8.703. Okay, so for this question, we should accept these two different answers. It depends on the method that we use. So 1 mark given for the area of sector, 1 mark given for the area of triangle, 1 mark when you find both and you minus, 1 mark for your final answer.